Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here. Hope everybody is having a great day. None other, I am coming to give y'all my last lookbook. Yes, this is the last lookbook and thing, and I wanted to come and show you. So this all purple look is anything, or it can be for anything. But this one is typically for a Halloween dinner party. So if it's not a dressy Halloween party, this is something I would put together. So I'm gonna go through everything. So what I have on is these sort of like leggings, like stretch pants and thing. So that's what I have on and thing. And then I have on a light pink top right here. So this is the light pink top. And then this top, oh my God, uber dramatic, okay? Can you say uber dramatic? Yes, so yeah, nice fit on that and thing. Now, the shoes, I have on these beautiful silver shoes. Now, I added the little bling parts to the shoe and the purse. And y'all, this is a pretty, beautiful purse and stuff. So you see, this is the purse. Now, the jewelry I am using is this ring right here. It's something different and something unique. It's just, this one you can get from Amazon. This one actually came from an actual jewelry store. I would try to find something just similar. And then we have these earrings and necklace. This necklace is from Walmart, and this is also from Walmart. And then we have this beautiful tennis bracelet, and this is also from Amazon. But overall, this is the look. Hope everybody enjoyed the look. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.